Third question is find the nth term of the following sequence. First part 2, 5, 10, 17 till infinity. Second part 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 till infinity. Third part 3, 8, 13, 18 till infinity. So the first part solution, first part is given 2, 5, 10, 17. That is 2 is nothing but 1 square plus 1, 5 is nothing but 2 square plus 1, 10 is nothing but 3 square plus 1 and 17 is nothing but 4 square plus 1 till infinity. It will continue. Therefore, the nth term is n square plus 1. So, n in the place of n, we will put 1, 2, 3 till infinity. So, we can find the answer of this, general form of this sequence. So, the second part is 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 till infinity. So, 0 is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 1, which is 0 by 1, which is 0. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So, it is nothing but n minus 1 by n. We will put natural numbers 1 by 1 in this place of n. Therefore, the nth term is n minus 1 by n. So, the third subdivision is 3, 8, 13, 18. So, a equal to 3, d equal to 5. So, tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, the general formula. So, we are substituting the values of a, n and d now. So, n is not given, we are just finding the general. So, n will be the same. So, 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. 3 plus, I will bring this 5 inside, that is 5n minus 5, which is 5n minus 2. Therefore, the nth term is 5n minus 2. So, the fourth question is find the indicated terms of the sequences whose nth terms are given by first part an equal to 5n by n plus 2. We have to find a6 and a13. So, the second part an equal to minus of n square minus 4. We have to find a4 and a11. So, in solution, first we are finding n6. n equal to 6. That is a6. That is an equal to 5n by n plus 2, which is a6 equal to, I am substituting the value of 6 in the place of n. I will get 5 into 6 by 6 plus 2, which is 30 by 8, which is 15 by 4. When n equal to 13, a13 equal to 5 into 13 by 13 plus 2, which is 65 by 15, which is equal to 13 by 3. So, second part is an equal to minus of n square minus 4, which is a4. We have to find a4 and a11. So, a4 equal to, I am substituting the value of 4 in the place of n now. That is minus of 4 square minus 4, which is minus of 16 minus 4. So, according to board mass, we should first solve inside the bracket things and then we should go to outside. So, 16 minus 4 is 12 and this minus symbol, so it is minus 12. A11 equal to minus of 11 square minus 4, which is minus of 121 minus 4, which is minus of 117. So, in fifth question, find a8 and a15 whose nth term is an equal to n square minus 1 by n plus 3, where n is even and n belongs to natural numbers. N square by 2n plus 1, where n is odd and n belongs to natural numbers. In solution, an equal to n square minus 1 by n plus 3 when n is even. N square by 2n plus 1 where n is odd. So, a8 is even number. So, we will take the even general formula for that, that is n square minus 1 by n plus 3. So, I am substituting 8 in the place of n. I will get 8 square minus 1 by 8 plus 3, which is 64 minus 1 by 11 and 63 by 11. So, a15 is odd, so we will take the odd general formula, which is n square by 2n plus 1. So, I am substituting 15 in the place of n. I will get 15 square by 2 into 15 plus 1, which is 225 by 30 plus 1, which is 225 by 31. So, we are going to the sixth question. If a1 equal to 1 and a2 equal to 1 and an equal to 2a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2. So, where n is greater than or equal to 3. So, where n belongs to natural numbers. Then find the first 6 terms of the sequence. We are going to find the first 6 terms. So, in our solution, a1 equal to given 1, a2 equal to 1, an equal to 2a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2. So, n is given greater than or equal to 3. So, we will start from 3 now. a3 equal to 2a. So, we are substituting 3 in the place of n. So, we will get 3 minus 1 plus a 3 minus 2. So, 2a 3 minus 1 is 2 plus a 3 minus 2 is 1, a1. So, From here only we are taking the value. A1 and A2 are already given. So A2 value is 1 and A1 also is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So A4 equal to 2A 4 minus 1 plus A4 minus 2. So 2, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So 2A3 plus 4 minus 2 is 2A2. So A3 now only we have found as 3. And A2 you already know it is 1. So 2 into A3 is 2 into 3 plus A2 is 1. That is equal to 7. So A5 equal to 2A 5 minus 1 plus A5 minus 2, which is 2A4 plus A3. That is 2 into 7 plus 3. That is A4 we have found 7 here. And A3 we already found it is 3. So 2 into 7 plus 3, which is 17. So A6 equal to 2A6 minus 1 plus A6 minus 2, which is 2A5 plus A4. So 2A5 we have already found it is 17. So we'll put here 2 into 17 plus 7, which is A4. Already we have found A4 also. So 2 into 17 plus 7, which is 34 plus 7, which is 41. Therefore, the first 6 terms of the sequence are 1, 1, 3, 7, 17, 41 till infinity.